How's your? I hope you all are doing well. Okay. So yesterday what we have seen? Yesterday we have seen the nouns and the kinds of the noun. Okay. So in the nouns, what we have seen the nouns definition and what is the types of the nouns and kinds of noun. Okay. So there are five. We have seen the five. There are five kinds of the proper nouns: common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and the abstract nouns. So the first we have taken the proper noun. Okay. So what is the proper noun? The proper noun is which a person's particular person, place, things is called a proper noun. समझ में आ गया? See, हमें यहाँ पे only we have to see only the proper nouns. Okay. So in the basis of the yesterday's what we have taken, so उस basis पे ही आज हमको क्या करना है? We will see the exercise A. Okay. So now let's start. See, students, open your page number 9. We will see the exercise A. See, find the proper nouns from the words given below. So they it's in the blanks. Don't forget to the use capital letters. Okay. What we yesterday we told, see, whenever we have to complete a sentence, we should the name of the capital letter, means first letter should be in a capital letter. Okay. As far as what is the first one is a Mr. See, persons and places. Okay, so here it's a two column. First is a person and second is a places. See, here 20 words are given below. मतलब यहाँ पे 20 words दिए हैं. We should find out the persons and places. So it's only the proper noun. We don't have gone to the common noun. Okay, so only we have to use the persons in a proper noun because we are taking the first noun in a proper noun. Okay, so first is a Mr. Chopra. Mr. Chopra, radio president. Mr. Chopra, Great Britain, Chennai, Smita colony. Lion, Mrs. Kavita. Vidyachal, summer, mountains, road, watch, King, Yamuna, Akbar, river and the hospital. See, there are 20 words, but we have to pick a 10 is a person says and it is not compulsory. We have to only pick up the places and persons. Okay. See, so in 20 we have to write person's names. So what is the person's name? So obviously Mrs. Chopra. Mrs. Chopra is a person in a proper way. Second one is obviously Smita because Smita is a name. Smita is a girl name. It is a proper noun. It is not have written the girl because the girls, but it is a Smita is a proper noun. Third one is Akbar. Okay. Akbar is also proper noun. Fourth one is loyal. Fourth one is loyal. Okay. You are also find one by one a proper noun. आप भी in 20 में से you have to search the proper noun. Okay. Then Mr. Chopra. What is the fifth one? Mr. Chopra. Okay, fifth. Sixth one, summer. Summer is also proper noun. See, 3 और 4 क्या रहते हैं? 3 और 4 ऋतु रहते हैं, सीजन रहते हैं, बट समर, विंटर, rainy season, it is a autumn season, it is a particular proper way. Okay, it doesn't have to count in a common name. So summer is a What is a proper name? Then Vidyachal. Seventh is a Vidyachal. Vidyachal is also name. Okay. Okay. Means we have to found the 7 what persons. Okay. So now we have to write it down a place names. Place name. What is the first one? It's Yamuna. Yamuna. Okay, everybody knows the what is the Yamuna. Yamuna is a river. Okay. Yamuna कहाँ पे आएगा? Yes, it is a person's name. Okay, I'm writing Yamuna. It's a Yamuna river. Yamuna नदी जो बोलते हैं. Okay, okay. अभी हो गए. जैसे जैसे we can find, we just write it down. Now we have to move the places. Okay, it's a mountain. It's a place में आएगा वो. Second one is road. थर्ड किसमें आएगा? हॉस्पिटल. Obviously hospital is also place, है ना? So hospital. What is the next one? Places, river. अब बोलते हैं कि he is sitting behind the river. मतलब river जैसे जो place है वहाँ पे वो क्या कर रही है? बैठ रही है. So river is also moving in places. Then Chennai. Yes, Chennai is a city. So obviously Chennai is a place. Chennai. Then Great Britain. Great Britain कहाँ बोलते हैं हम जैसे? It is a London. So Great Britain is also in a place. See these sentence, this word we have to column first and second is person and place. You have to write it down on your copy. Okay. आप टेक्स्ट बुक्स में लिख रहे हैं but as well as you should write it on your copy also. See next one colony. Colony is also place. हम बोलते हैं ना in which colony you are living. हम बोलते हैं कि in this इस कॉलोनी में हम भी क्या करते हैं? हम इस कॉलोनी में रहते हैं. Okay. See, we don't have to write the words which do not have the needed. मतलब आप जैसे बोलोगे कि सी मैडम बोलोगे कि आप यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड क्या है वो बच चुके हैं. मतलब these words are left. We don't want to write it because there is a not needed in a place or person. Because see the other one is watch. What is a watch? Watch is a thing. So we won't write it down. Why? We have not written a watch because watch is a thing. So what they ask only you have to write it a person or place. So just watch, it's ignore it because it is the it's a things part. Okay, वो things में आएगा. It is not person or places में वो watch नहीं आएगा. तो those are not required. You shouldn't be written. Okay. Okay, come on. I will give you 2 minutes. Write it down. What is the first one? Mr. Chopra. Second is Meeta. Then Akbar. Lion lawyer. Mr. Chopra. 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 Sixth one summer, SUMMER. Then Vidyachal, VIDHYACHAL. Then Yamuna, Yamuna is river, so obviously it is put in a person's names. YAMUNA, Yamuna. Then places में क्या आएगा? Mountains, MOUNTAIN, mountains. Okay. Then road, mountain के बाद क्या है? Road है. Then hospital is also place, HOSPITAL, it's a hospital. Then river, nadi, RIVER, river. Then Chennai, I told you Chennai is a city, so obviously you have to write Chennai in a place, CHENNAI, Chennai. Then Great Britain, Great Britain is also in England, so it is a place. Then colony, obviously colony is also places. Okay, so have you done on your books or copy? Firstly you have to write it on books. After that you have to write it on your copy. See, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है कि we don't have to write the words when we don't have to need. जैसे जहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा के कुछ वाक्य दिए we don't have to write because we don't have to need. Like the president हो गया, एक्स्ट्रा का रोड. ओके, ओके. See, so today we have completed the exercise 1. Okay, so what we have completed? See, firstly we have to discuss about the what is the noun. Okay, what is the noun? The name of the persons, things and animal. So it's a naming word. Second thing, what we have learned. Then kinds of noun. What is the kinds of noun? How they are? It's a common noun, proper noun. Okay, collective noun, material noun, and there is a fifth one is abstract noun. So today in exercise A we have taken which one? It's a proper noun, and they are giving 10 example. We have to just pick up what is the place and what is the person's names. Okay. So tomorrow we will see the exercise B. What is it? Rewrite the sentences using capital letter whether the required. हमें क्या करना है? जहाँ पे हमको सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग करनी है, मतलब जहाँ पे भी जो रिक्वायर्ड है. सी द प्रॉपर नाउन में हमने कल ही पढ़ा था कि इन अ होल सेंटेंस वेयर द रिक्वायर्ड द फर्स्ट नेम शुड बी इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. लाइक द कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था? सी शिवानी आगरा ताजमहल, है ना? लाइक दिस. Tajmahal is one of the 7. Wait, I'm just giving you an example. है ना? Tajmahal, the Tajmahal. See, Tajmahal is one of the 7 wonders. मतलब हम बोलते हैं 7वां अजूबा, 7 wonders of the world. Okay, तो look at the blackboard. See, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है कि rewrite the sentences using capital letters which they are required. Already this sentence is perfectly correct. Okay, see कहाँ required है? The Taj Mahal. If there is a written in small letter, we should write down a first letter, and where they require, we should write it down the capital letter. Okay, the Taj Mahal. See N is also capital. Then 7 wonders of the world है. यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड है, हम ये बोलेंगे 7 वंडर, बट जब वो पूछेंगे कि वेयर इज द ताजमहल, है ना, अगर यहाँ पे लिखा रहता कि आगरा, और ये कौन सा इसमें है, इट इज अ स्मॉल लेटर, तो ऑब्वियसली वी शुड राइट द ए इज अ कैपिटल. ओके, तो दैट मीन्स where they required sentences, we should write it down the words in a capital letter. Okay, so tomorrow we will take the exercise B. I hope today's lecture is all okay, आपको समझ में आया होगा. So tomorrow we will take a B exercise. Okay, I hope you all doing well and please take care of your health. Take care, bye bye.